What's good, TikTok? It's D Bills here, and I'm back with another video. I'm about to be putting in these three-way switches. They're already prepped for me and everything, so all I gotta do is just strip it and just put it together. You feel me? You feel me? So I got my neutrals here. This is 3-wire. This is the 4-way. This is the feeding. That's all I gotta splice these together. Just send power back down that way. So I'm gonna get my pliers. You guys wanted to see how to strip it. So what I do is just, I barely press down. And just pull. You see how I just rip the plastic off? And do it again. Barely press down and just rip. And look at that. Same thing with this one. Barely press down and just pull. I rip the plastic off, boom. And now I'm sending the power to the other switch since it's a 3-way. So I'm using the white as my power. So in this instance, it will not be a neutral. My white is not a neutral. Then I'm gonna tuck that in the box since I'm done with it. Just push that in. Push that in. I only have red wire knots at the moment, so that's what I'm gonna be using. Now this is my neutral. This is my neutral. Tuck that in the box. And that is going home. Now I'm gonna turn that. And these are my travelers here. So I'm gonna just strip them. And this is the switch leg. So if you look on here, it's a 3-way switch. So the black screw, gold screw, and another gold screw. Both of the gold screws are travelers. The black screw, either the power or the switch leg goes on it. So I'm gonna be putting my travelers on the gold. And no drills on devices, my boy. No drills on devices. I'm gonna have a couple more switches for y'all. I'm trying to give y'all. So like I said, the switches are already prepped for me to just wire it. So now I'm using a single pole switch. The last switch was a 3-way. So these only have 2 screws, 2 gold screws. I put my power on the bottom. So this is my switch leg. And this one here is another switch leg. This right here is going to be my power. So we spliced it so that when we strip it, it just goes right to, one goes to one switch and the other one goes to the other switch. Just like that. So, again, take my pliers. You can use strippers if you want, but I feel like I'm good to use the pliers. And just strip it. Strip it. And then, like I said, power goes at the bottom screw. Oh, it was flipped, but power goes at the bottom screw, which is this one. No drills on devices. Always remember that, because you could damage your device. And get my next screw. Next switch, sorry. And just screw it down. Screw it down. And put my switch leg at the top. First I got the top screw. And then I can't forget my grounds.